Very first day of building 10 fish hotels to help increase Murray Cod habitat.
Come up with the idea of a pyramid shape because we've never seen anything a pyramid shape. It's actually a little bit extra work, but they look awesome. And we're building fish hotels for fish habitat purely because the paddle steamer industry has pulled out about 3 million snags in the River Murray.
And that will mean that we will have replaced some significant fish habitat in the Murray in an area of river, total distance about 1 kilometre, and an area that doesn't actually have a lot of snags in it. So that's why this is such an important project.
So yeah, basically we're hoping for more habitat, more fish. It's exactly the same as on the land. If you didn't have any trees out here and everyone cut the trees down and you went and planted a tree, all of a sudden you'd have birds in the tree. Plant another 1,000 trees, you'll have lots of birds, plenty of habitat.
Pretty exciting morning. We're about to launch the very first Grand Fish Hotel. We completed the first one on the weekend on Saturday. It's been moved to the river and now we're actually going to float it into position. So what we're doing today is we're putting some air floats, air sausages, into the structure so it can be suspended in the water while we tow it into position.
So we're just pulling up on our marker that we've GPS. We've got locations marked for the whole 10. They're just approaching our little white buoy that we've got in the river. They're going to deflate these tubes or balloons where the fish hotel will slowly sink to the bottom. Once that balloon is deflated, they'll pull it straight out, and we're hoping that it lands pretty much on the spot. There's not a great deal of flow. We've got a perfect day for it, not much wind. Everything's going according to plan at this stage, looking good.